Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know you are facing problem in verifying your site on Propeller, yeah, because there is an error by Propeller by default. So I'm going to tell you the trick. By using this you can verify easily your site on Propeller and start receiving money. So let's start what to do. So guys, I hope you have added your site and you have got this code, this tag to add on the front page of the site to verify. If you have not added, I'm going to tell you, just go here, click on site section and you will find add site section. So type your domain name and add site, click on add site. So you will find this tag, copy it. When you will double click on this, it will be copied. Now you have to, if you are using Blogger, you have to go to your blog, whatever thing you are using, any other website, you have to upload it on the HTML on the front page of your site. So this is Blogger and this is the blog I am going to add. Clicking on edit HTML. So I am going to paste it in the head section, head, and here. So what you need to do, I was telling you about default error, okay? So this is coding error. You need to add before this close tag this slash. You are watching slash I have added before cursor. So you have to add this slash. Remember guys, if you don't add this slash, you will not be able to verify your property. So remember to do this. So now click on save and your site will be verified, but you will have to confirm that you have placed tag. So once we wait for update successful, so guys, it is processing. Let's wait. If we do hurry, then it could not be saved. So you are watching update successful. Now you can go back, go to that tab where you are using Propeller. Okay, so you are watching before below this tag, this is verify button. You need to confirm by clicking this button. Click on verify. Now it will show that your code is placed on the front page or not. It is verifying. Your site is successfully verified. So guys, if you watch this text on your screen, then you understand that your site has been added successfully verified on Propeller. And now you will start adding code, add code on your site. So to know how to add code, just visit my another video in the blogging section, earning money section playlist, and you will find how to add code. So guys, I will meet my next video with some other information. Till then, bye bye, take care.